years ago, from its humble beginnings, TV 99.1 has been spreading the good vibes over the airwaves. And that's only the beginning. With signals going full blast, reaching far past Central Luzon. With music that's sure to get you feeling the vibe. With DJs that have a knack of keeping you hooked. We got you, we get you. This is TV 99.1, your good vibes. A proud member of KBP. For the past 19 hours, you have been listening to TVFM 99.1, a commercial radio station owned and operated by Apollo Broadcast Investors Incorporated and authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission. It operates daily from 5 a.m. till 12 midnight by the power of 5,000 watts. The studio is located at the 4th level of PG Building, MacArthur Highway, Balibago, Angeles City. The transmitters are situated at the Royal Golf Country Club, Porac, Pampanga. It is maintained and operated by the following personnel duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Erwin Villegas Galang with ECE number 10845. Mr. Elmer Buasan, first class radio telephone operator with license number 24881. Mr. Ener Tulio, first class radio telephone operator with license number 971PIII 19648. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we have made history. This is GBFM 99.1. Now, signing off.
Bayang magiliw, talas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw. May dilag ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituing nag-araw niya, kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhatit pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaw